can't sleep, neither can I, but that's alright, because this is my last video in my 3-part series sponsored by Three Spirit on non-alcoholic and functional cocktail recipes. Now if you haven't guessed it, this video we're going to be talking about the functionality of sleep and stress relieving, anxiety reducing drinks, and we're going to be showing you that with our base, which is going to be the Three Spirit Nightcap. Now Nightcap is made with botanicals, ingredients, herbs, spices, all things to help reduce stress, to help relax, to help you feel at one, inner wellness, mental peace. Not only does it have all these functional benefits, it's also super tasty. It smells beautiful, looks beautiful. I also just really wanted an excuse to show off my dressing gown. It's thing beauty, right? But anyway, onto the cocktail. Now this works perfect just on its own, over ice. You go into bed, you want a little bit of a nightcap, as the name suggests, works perfect for that. Just pour a little bit out over ice, have that, works great. You can use it in a hot todder, which is kind of similar to what we're doing today. Or you can mix it up with any kind of cocktail that you see fit, that looks great. You can also mix it with alcohol, it does not have to be alcohol free. Just because this is booze free, don't mean your drinking has to be. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be showing you kind of a nighttime tea, which I'm calling dream capture. So what you need first, you need some lavender. Either fresh lavender sprigs works great, or dried lavender, like I've got here. You don't have to have a massive bag like this. I just happen to go through a lot of lavender. What you're going to do, in some kind of mug or jug or whatever, put yourself in 1 teaspoon of lavender. And then we're going for about 150 millilitres of hot water. Doesn't have to be boiling, you don't want to boil the lavender, you just want to infuse it into that. Now as you'd probably guess what we're doing here, we're just making a lavender tea. That simple. Nightcap already has all the functionality in there. All we're looking to do is lengthen it and just add a little bit more excitement and just show you a different way you can go about this and just a different way you can approach non-alcoholic drinks. It doesn't have to be all ice, sweet, fruity, tropical drinks. You can also have complex ones like just this over ice, you know, replacement for an old fashioned, or you can have creative drinks like this. We add a little bit of play on temperature. You're going to leave that about 60 seconds, 2 minutes. It'll infuse pretty quick. In the meantime, grab yourself your nightcap and pour 50 millilitres out into some kind of heat-proof mug, glass, vessel. I've got this lovely little wooden vessel, looks beautiful next to that, doesn't it? Hey, goes good. Goes good. Ain't going right. Ain't going right. Now on its own, it smells really nice. It's got this earthiness to it, it's got this kind of sweet element. I already feel relaxed. Just like that, I already feel relaxed. Strain out that lavender bud, and then you're going to do about 150 millilitres over that. Do it a little bit, taste as you go along, see which one you prefer. Now in there you've got ingredients like Valerian root, right, which is like a sedative to the mind and body, really powerful. So even though we're just mixing 2 ingredients, you're still getting this really refined, complex and elegant drink, somewhat sophistication. It's such a simple drink. Now to garnish that, stick yourself some lavender sprigs, but what I've got is, I've got some of this here, which is gypsophilia, and it works beautifully just on there, like so. Looks good. And there we have it, that is my last one. If you haven't checked out my other videos, I've got a kind of sour, tropical beach feel, mood boosting drink, non-alcoholic, super functional, using social elixir as the base, and I've also got your energising, energy boosting spritz, which is done with livener, check out all 3 of those. Don't forget to check out Three Spirits on their website. Let me know if you recreate any of these. I'm encouraging you to try some out, go through the videos, see which one appeals to you the most, get all the collection, try all 3 throughout the day, every day for a week, see how you feel. You're getting better sleep, you're feeling more energised in the morning, your mood's boosted. Do let me know, and let me know what creations you come up with. And until the next video, whenever that may be, my name's Cameron, aka the Cocktail Coach, aka the Mindful Mixologist. Bye for now, I'm enjoying it, and go get some well-deserved sleep.